Second graders, we've been learning an awful lot about how to make nouns plural. Most recently, we've been looking at words that end in a Y and figuring out how we make them plural. I want to remind you that we look at the end of the word. If we see a Y, we look at the letter before. If it's a consonant Y, we drop the Y, add an I-E-S, like in flies. On the other hand, if we look at the end of the word and we look at the letter before the Y and it's a vowel, we simply add an S, as in the word toys. Today, I have several slides for you to complete. It's called Adding IES. It says move the S or the IES to make the noun plural. If moving the IES, make sure to cover the Y, and we also need to type the plural noun. Let's do a couple together. I'm looking at the word candy. Here's the Y. I'm going to look at the letter right before the Y. Ooh, it's a consonant. I know consonant Y. Drop the Y, add an IES. I'm going to come get one of the IES circles, and I'm going to make sure that I cover up that Y. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to highlight it. And now I have to type the word candies. Let's do another example. Here's the word boy. There's my Y. Right before the Y, I notice a vowel. I know the rule says vowel Y-O. Just add an S. I don't want to cover anything. I'm going to put it right after the word. Again, I highlight and I need to type it correctly. Oh, here's the word baby. There's the Y. Look right before the Y. Ah, it's a consonant. You know what to do. You'll continue and you'll do all of these slides.